I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and Office installed so you can access protected settings. Once logged in, check the Microsoft account or purchase email that likely holds your product information. Next, decide whether to use a lightweight tool like Belark Advisor or run a PowerShell command. Both uncover stored product keys. Make sure to save any discovered key to a secure note right away, and do not change system settings until you've recorded the key. You now run the chosen method and interpret results. If using Belark, open the report and scan the software licenses area for Office keys. Copy exactly. If you prefer PowerShell, run the getWMI object query and read the OA3X original product key or licensing fields. This reveals embedded OEM keys. For Office 365 or Microsoft 365 subscriptions, sign into account. Microsoft.com and check services and subscriptions. You finish by securely recording the product key in a password manager or encrypted note so you can reinstall without hunting later. Once done, verify Office activation via file account inside any Office app and sign in with the linked Microsoft account. If the key isn't found, check original box, retailer email, or the Microsoft account purchase history. If activation still fails, contact Microsoft support and provide proof of purchase. They can help recover or validate your license.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.